Hi guys, this is just a quick message to show you how to assign any percussive sound to any key on the keyboard. And apparently people are not clear about this, and it was requested, so I'm just making a quick video to show it. The first thing you do is press the split and jewel together to access the studio set. The second thing you do is make sure that what you have selected here is channel 10. Although you can put drums on any channel at all, if you have this set, then it will make sure that you have in the studio set some settings for the effects and so forth, which you would want to be sure about. Okay, so now here you can select whatever kit you want to use, but you can change the kit and save it back, right? So suppose we're going to start with this kit, Power Session, and we want to change something assigned to one of the keys and save it. We will press the Shift button and Tone Edit, which is this, and as you can see, we have two things at the top. Over here we have the key, which goes from E flat number 27 all the way up to 88 E, and we can either just touch a key on the keyboard, there you go, it's gone to 41, or we can move the highlight over there and rotate the wheel to whatever key we want. But if you're learning the keys and you're not sure about the number and the 2 or whatever, you can probably just press your favorite key or the one you wish to change the sound on, and then you can change this here, and you have like 61 off or 61 different tones, studio kicks, toms, all sorts of cymbals and splash cymbals, china cymbals, cowbells, and all kinds of percussive instruments, and you just set that. So if you say take wind chimes here, we have wind chimes set on 47, which is B2. If you want to change it to something else, you can just change it to castanets or surdo, whatever that is, metro click. So now you know how to get all the keys set up, and then as I said, when you're done with that, you press exit, and of course you're going to have to save it if you want to save it. And if you want to save it, you'll have to press the right button over here, and then you'll have to save the tone, right? So when you press that, it'll allow you to find the user kit. I have a Steven kit and so forth, and then you got lots of other kits, 8 kits you can save. Put it to any knit one that's not used yet, and then you press rename here. I'll just do it for you, and then you can change the name and so forth and so on, and then press right. I don't really want to do that right now. Anyway, now you know how to change the percussive or drum sound on any of the keys, and to save it. And then if you save it as my kit or my kit 1 or whatever, then just put it back on the channel 10, and boom, you're good to go, good as gold. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.